Hello everyone, Ken Latham with the Design Guy signing on. Alright, this is going to be a quick overview and then I'm going to go into a quick walkthrough as well. So here, what we were looking at is we took a wall out here, we took out most of the wall here, and then there was a wall back here going towards the kitchen that was also removed. So we're opening all of that space up. So that's going to make all of those rooms feel much larger, much more open. So that is the quick overview, and then we'll go into the walkthrough from here. Is for the Harlows, and we're looking at where we've taken some walls out. So we're going to go in here and take a look. We're going to go through this door. And right here at this front is where we've taken some walls out. So we had a wall that was right across here that came out. So along with that, we ended up taking out a good portion of the wall here and adding a beam. So one thing I'm looking at is where we added the beam up top to be able to carry the loads from above, and you can see we've got a space on each side where the wall is not as wide as that beam. So I don't know if you want to go ahead and pad that out. So that way, just have that wall to this part to go all the way back to be the same thickness as the beam above. I think that's going to look more natural, but I'll let you make the choice on that. And then if we come back through here, then we've also taken out the other wall that was heading into the kitchen, which actually came right off of this corner, if I'm not mistaken. Through here there was a doorway that I'm not showing, but it's coming off of there. So that wall went away. The kitchen we didn't lay out means there really wasn't anything there that affected us. And then turning back around here. So that's the twin window looking out back. That's your door that was heading out back as well. And then let's spin this back around. Oops, up through the ceiling. So again, there's our beam here that we're talking about that we added. So you can see they've taken that wall out we were talking about, creates quite a bit of space. And then we'll still have this little corner back into here, which is what we talked about keeping, or that section of wall we could not do away with. So very good. This is Ken Latham, the Design Guy, signing off. Have a great day. Bye now.